Hi guys! For today's video ay samahan nyo kaming bisitahin at tikman ang isa sa mga authentic Vietnamese restaurant dito sa Hanoi, ang Tam Bi. It's a 1-star Michelin guide restaurant na around 10 to 15 minutes lang from Old Quarter. So nag-grab lang kami papunta dito. And ayan guys, sa entrance pa lang makikita nyo na yung kanilang mga certificate. They got the award for 2 consecutive years, 2003 and 2004. And ayan, pagpasok mo, ito yung bubulagasan. Napaka-homey ng lugar, medyo yung lighting nila is medyo madilim pero magaganda pa rin yung mga decoration. Ayan. So, luckily, Monday kami nagpunta dito so wala pang masyadong maraming tao. Ito nga pala yung kanilang full menu in Vietnamese dong, guys. Ayan, meron silang mga set for 730,000 VND. Isa ka pala sa mga specialty nila is yung Vietnamese caramelized pork and egg. Napaka-tender niya guys and somehow comparable siya sa adobo natin na medyo may tamis at may alat. Ayan, kumuha nga pala kami ng isang set kung saan pwede namin itry yung spring rolls nila, yung fresh spring rolls. And may kasama na yung salad, steamed vegetable, crab or seaweed soup. And order kami ng drink separately. May kasama na rin pala yung tofu. Yung tofu na yan, kasama na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung itsura ng food. Meanwhile, ito yung iba pa nilang mga pagkain dito. Ayan, after about 20 minutes, dumating na yung aming order na set. So, ayan guys, yung laman ng aming set. Ito yung caramelized pork and eggs nila. Yan yung tofu. I don't remember the name of this, pero para siyang pickled vegetable. Ayan yung fresh spring roll. This is 10 out of 10 for me. And ito yung kanilang crab soup. Ito yung steamed vegetable. Ayan guys. Price-wise, this is the most expensive restaurant na nakainan namin for our 5-day stay dito sa Hanoi. Presentation-wise, it's truly a Michelin-starred restaurant. But for the taste, it's something na you can try but hindi mo na babalikan. So we had better Michelin-starred restaurant experience sa Singapore and Thailand. So that's our Tam Bi review. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.